Some animals are feared, others are admired, but very few are ignored as completely as the pigeon. For centuries, this bird has lived beside us, watching civilizations rise, wars unfold, and cities stretch toward the sky. Today, it's often dismissed as nothing more than a common nuisance. But appearances can be deceiving. Hidden behind its ordinary feathers is a bird that has helped shape history, outsmarted scientists, and adapted to a world no other bird was ever meant to survive. So how did one of nature's greatest success stories become one of its most misunderstood? Today, we're uncovering the remarkable truth about the bird hiding in plain sight. Most people believe pigeons invaded our cities. The truth is almost the opposite. Thousands of years ago, humans domesticated wild rock doves for food, communication, and sport. We built lofts for them, bred them for different abilities, and carried them across continents. When technology eventually replaced messenger pigeons, many escaped or were abandoned. Their descendants became the pigeons we see today. They aren't wild invaders. They're the descendants of birds that once depended on people. In many ways, the city pigeon is humanity's oldest companion, still living among us. They're not strangers in our cities. They're part of our own history. But if pigeons have lived beside humans for thousands of years, why are they so incredibly good at understanding us? Pigeons don't just recognize faces, they study behavior. They quickly learn which people regularly feed birds, which people chase them away, and which simply walk past without paying attention. Researchers have even found that pigeons watch human body language before deciding whether it's safe to approach. A relaxed posture means little danger. Sudden movements often send the flock into the air. Over time, entire groups of pigeons develop routines based on the daily habits of the people around them. While we think we're observing pigeons, they're quietly observing us. Pigeons can distinguish between different artistic styles, and have even been trained to tell paintings by Monet apart from those by Picasso. Scientists often use pigeons to study learning because they're exceptionally good at recognizing patterns. In laboratory experiments, pigeons have learned to identify letters of the alphabet, categorize hundreds of photographs, and even recognize simple medical images after training. Their brains may be small, but they're incredibly efficient. Intelligence isn't measured by size alone, it's measured by problem solving, and pigeons consistently outperform expectations. Some studies showed pigeons could remember hundreds of different images for years. A pigeon may look ordinary, but its body is engineered for endurance. Its powerful chest muscles make up nearly a third of its body weight, allowing it to maintain fast, efficient flight over long distances. During migration or racing, some pigeons can fly for hours without stopping. Their feathers are arranged to reduce drag, and their wings adjust constantly to changing winds. Every movement conserves energy. Nature has spent millions of years refining one of the most efficient flying machines ever created. Few animals have adapted to human civilization as successfully as pigeons. Instead of fearing cities, they transformed them into ideal habitats. Tall buildings became cliffs, bridges became nesting sites, public squares became reliable food sources. While many bird species declined as cities expanded, pigeons evolved alongside us. They changed their daily schedules to match traffic, pedestrian movement, and even garbage collection. They didn't simply survive urban life, they mastered it. Long before radios and satellites, pigeons carried the world's most important messages. During both World Wars, they flew through storms, smoke, and enemy fire to deliver information that saved thousands of lives. Some returned home despite serious injuries. One famous messenger pigeon completed its mission even after being wounded, helping rescue nearly 200 soldiers trapped behind enemy lines. Their bravery earned medals usually reserved for military heroes. Many people believe pigeons are unusually dirty birds. In reality, they spend a significant part of every day cleaning their feathers. Their constant preening removes dirt, aligns feathers for efficient flight, and spreads natural oils that help protect against rain. The reason pigeons gather in cities isn't because they're dirty, it's because cities provide food and nesting places. Like any wild animal living close to humans, they can carry diseases, but the risk from casual encounters is generally much lower than popular myths suggest. Without pigeons, history might have unfolded differently. They connected kingdoms, carried news across continents, supported scientific discoveries, and helped build communication networks long before modern technology existed. Today, they're often overlooked as ordinary birds, but perhaps that's their greatest achievement. They've become so successful that we stop noticing them altogether. The world's most misunderstood bird has been hiding in plain sight all along. The next time you see a pigeon walking through a city square or resting on a rooftop, take a moment to look a little closer. Behind those ordinary feathers is a story of survival, intelligence, and a partnership with humans that has lasted for thousands of years. If you enjoyed uncovering the hidden world of one of nature's most misunderstood birds, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next journey into the incredible lives of animals all around us. Until next time, keep asking questions, because nature always has another secret waiting to be discovered.